Today, we are going to study about internet. Internet is simply called as net. In a daily life, we call internet usually like net. It is just a short format of internet. It is a large network of computers. Internet stands for interconnected network. That means different computers connected through a network. A bigger one, bigger network. That is called as internet. It connects millions of computers through telephone lines and cables. So many computers are connected through cables or telephone line, we can say. This connection is known as computer network. It has made everyone's life easy and simple. It had made online communication fast. People share information with each other located anywhere in the world. So, with the help of this internet, now life has become very easy. People can share their work, maybe their ideas, maybe their files through internet very easily. Now, here we are going to read about some advantages or uses of internet. Today, internet is the most important part of a daily life. Now, it is possible to do many things that were not possible earlier with the help of internet. Some of the uses listed here are: internet is the best source of lots of information. That is true. We can search for any information that we want through the internet. Internet helps to communicate with people around the world. We can communicate or we can chat with different people all around the world. We can send messages and letter through email. We have these even email facilities through which we can send letters. We can pay our bills also through online services. Internet also helps the student to prepare for exam. Now exam preparation can also be done. We can search for any information we need regarding our exams. We can do online shopping sitting at our home through internet. Yes, so many different websites are there through which we can do shopping. We can book air tickets, railway tickets, and movie tickets as well. We can also play online games. Yes, so many games are there that we can play online. We can watch movies online and can download songs as well. We can also see latest news through internet. So these were some of the uses of the internet. Now here we have some disadvantages of internet. We have discussed the uses of the or the advantages of internet. Now let us see what are the disadvantages of internet. First is children may become addicted to online games or movie. Yeah, if a lot of gaming is done online or movie watching, then the child can become addicted to it. Next is it may bring bad effect to children. Yes, so many time if the child is using internet every time, so it may bring bad effect. Next is people may tend to become dependent on internet. Yes, everything we get from internet very easily, so it is very likely to become dependent on that. Internet is a good way to learn new things, but children must be monitored constantly. So what the child is doing on the internet, we should know that. Here we have some basic terminologies that are related to internet. First we have is web browser. Web browser is a special software or a program that helps you access the information available on the web. The default browser of Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. Other example of web browser are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Now these are few of the applications through which you can access websites on the internet. Okay, these are called as web browsers. Examples we have is Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge. So many browsers we have. Then we have website. Website is the collection of related web documents linked together that provide a large amount of information. Moving between different websites is known as net surfing. Okay, when we look for something on the internet, what we do, we move from one website to another website. We go through the content. This process is called as net surfing. Okay, and what is a website? It is the collection of related web pages that have the information. Okay. Then we have web page. A website consists of files or document containing information called as a web page. Now, web page, we can say it is just a single page of a website in which informations are there. Then we have home page. This is the first You see, when you open a website, homepage is the main page of a website. So the main page that comes, the first page that comes on a website is called as a homepage. Search engine search engines can be defined as the program that searches through a collection of web pages for information on a desired topic. The default search engine of Windows 10 is Microsoft Bing. Other famous search engines are Google and Yahoo, including Bing. Now, search engine is again a program on which we can search information. Okay, these are the examples. About online safety, responsibility of a good digital citizen. We must practice some online safety while using the internet, and it is very important. First is, do not give your personal information online. Whatever information is personal to you, never give it online to unknown people. Do not share your password with anyone. If you have a password of your email or any login, do not share it with anyone. Do not download any data from unknown website, the site that you do not know. You're not aware of it. Do not download anything from that site. Do not email to unknown people. If the people you don't know them, then maybe they are mailing you. Do not reply back to them. For online safety from virus, use antivirus software in your device. There should be an antivirus always in your device so that you can keep your data and device safe from viruses. For watching, I hope you enjoyed the chapter. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Keep learning, keep growing. See you.